Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is October the 7th, 2020, and what I want to show you today is all the cherry tomatoes that are still growing out in the garden. And our other tomatoes up here are still going too. Now the Hollow Garden is completely wiped out. That's done down there. But last year I did a video about how selecting and saving seeds from your heirloom plants where the plants will adapt to your growing climate. Now these have been reseeding themselves. These tomato plants here have been reseeding themselves for years now, and they're adapting to our climate. We've had multiple frosts and they're still going. Now we can't pick them, we can't find any jar lids, and our freezers are full. So we are trying to find friends who can take these and be able to use them, but you know, they can't find canning lids either. So you know, we're trying so that they don't all go to waste here. And the other tomatoes, they are still going. Now these were ones that I had started from seed, some different ones, but you know, it's amazing, you know, with the frost and stuff, how these are still going here. And we've had about 5 hard frosts, and you can see, I mean, it hasn't damaged the stalks. Now the windshields of the cars were really frosted over. You could like write on them with your hand, but it didn't hurt the stalks at all. So hopefully, you know, we can find somebody to give these to who will be able to use these. And you can check that video out that I did on my channel about saving and collecting heirloom seeds and saving seeds and the benefits of it. Because I mean, these, you can see, they've adapted to the climate, they've adapted to the cold. I mean, they come up on their own. We don't do anything with them, we let them go, and they don't have any blight on them, and they're just happily here growing and producing. We did what we could with them. We've made multiple batches of ketchup out of them, pizza sauce, spaghetti sauce. So you know, we tried to use them, but when you run out of lids and your freezers are full, you can't do much then. So these are the other tomatoes here, and these were planted in the straw bales. We really like the straw bale method. This is the second year that they've been planted in these straw bales, and I don't know, we might try and get a third year out of them. It'd be like $105 where we're at to replace the straw bales. Now it's hard to say, that price might go up, and I think it was like 15 bales we had in here. So we might try and get another year out of them. Now this is the longest that we've ever had our tomatoes go that were big like this. So they seem to be adapting, you know, to the climate. They've survived the frost, and normally the late blight takes them out. It's trying to take a hold of them a little bit now, but if the weather holds out, you know, it's hard to say how long they're gonna last. Here's Mr. Stripey here, and you can see, I mean, they're putting out new shoots and new blossoms. They're gonna keep going. Look at the Romanos here. Yeah, they're the Romanos. Beautiful stalks. They have a little bit of blight on them, but I mean, it's the longest that they've kept going for us. And we did spray them this year with neem oil. These here were sprayed with neem oil. The cherry tomatoes that are growing out in the regular area, they weren't sprayed. So I'll put a link down in the description for the neem oil that we use. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell us I put a new video on, You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.